Hello guys, welcome to my channel DIY Repair Now. Today we're going to be working on an Admiral. The problem that we have with this washer is that it's banging and it's making a lot of noise. So the model number it's on the display and we're going to begin to do this repair, which is the shocks. Welcome to DIY Repair Now. Read all the warnings, and during this video you will see one or more of these icons to help you do this repair safe. First thing, we're gonna need a 1/4 screwdriver or 1/4 bit on a drill. Then we're gonna go ahead and remove our water hoses. Just as a precaution, go ahead and close your water valves and remove the water hoses, especially if you have some of this uh, water tubes. They are very flimsy. Now over here you have to work with your space, so you can either move it to one side or the other side to be able to replace the shock however you think is convenient for you. You have to pull it towards you, lift a little, and then come back. Lift. That way it goes above this. Then go back and then lift. Before that, you guys want to put some tape on the door, because otherwise the door is going to slam right back on you. It only supposed to bounce once. If you see if it bounces more than once, then you have to replace the shocks. It's not supposed to do that. You're gonna see when I replace the new ones. When I install the new shocks, you're gonna see the difference. When I do this, it only gonna bounce once. So let's do it. Go there, put your vice grips right there, push it up. Be careful because all these are sharp edges, so this is like a knife here. You have to be careful, don't cut yourself. Wear long sleeves or just be careful, or large gloves. Remove this out of the way. Put this to the side and don't mix them with the new ones. Now you're gonna need your flathead, just get it off. Put it to the side. Now we're gonna do 2 at a time. You can, depends on your space, you can either the 2 on this side, or the 2 on this side, or the ones on the front, or the ones in the back. The way I got my space here, I'm gonna go ahead and do the ones in the front together and the 2 in the back together. You can also do it individually, one by one, which I have another video that you can check to do it individually. You have to make sure the vice grips really grabs the shocks, because otherwise if it fails, it can cut your finger or something. Okay. Also, you have to be careful when you put your finger here, because one time I cut myself in this ring, so you have to be careful. You have to be careful when you put your finger here. My suggestion is wear gloves all the time. Now that we got it like that, we're gonna tilt the washer like this. This is the new shocks. There you have it. And now we're going to open our backs to get the new shocks. Here we have the shocks. And we're going to get underneath the washer. As you see, they fit to this hole, and they also have this ring, so we're going to use this ring to keep it in the hole. You're going to see in the new one, so we're going to get this one out. We're going to set this to the side, get this other one out. We're going to set it to the side. I'm gonna grab our new one. You can feel it has more tension on it. And like I was telling you guys, we're gonna go ahead and use this ring to hold it in place. Right there. To keep it in place. And another one. And we are going to do the same thing. Okay, now we got them in place. Gonna get the machine down, and we're gonna open this again. Just make sure this fits in here, otherwise it's gonna go off track. So now we're gonna grab our new rings, put them in place. And we're gonna go ahead. Now the other ones are a little different than this one, so just use this one like this. Let me show you this. I'll show you how this will work. You have to go right here. See right here. Boom, boom. Because if you're trying to put it like this is gonna keep getting in your way. So you have to go like this and then go inside. Boom, boom. So let's do the other one. I was telling you, like this, and twist it like that. Always be careful, like I was saying earlier, and I'm gonna keep saying it because I caught myself several times by doing it like this. Of course, I do this every day, so I got used to it, but I don't want you guys to get cut yourself on the sharp edges. Now we're gonna do the two in the back. Now this one doesn't have any clip, but sometimes it brings like a clip here. If you have one of those that has a clip when the water hose is attached, just make sure you remove it to be able to remove the shock, or when you put it back on, clip it back on the shocks. And this one, I don't have that issue. So let's do it. As you see, in this case, we're doing the two and the back. Come on, readjust. I need to get in this area. Okay, let's remove this ring. Now this is the old one. Always try not to mix them. And set the rings. Let's put this to the side because you're gonna have to close your lid to be able to get underneath and the back. Now let's close the lid. do the same thing that you did in the front. Just work your way in and hold it with the ring. And let's remove this two old ones to the side. Always remember these two have to be in this slot because they would hold it in place. Now we're gonna do the last part. Now you can tell that it's raised up, and when you go down, it only bounces once. See? Big difference. So now we're gonna remove our tape. Now again, we're gonna make sure this hook goes in here, but we're gonna go and put it in the hook, but then we have to bring it towards you. Then it goes down to grab this clip. Now we make sure it's in place, and we're gonna go ahead and put our 3 screws in the back. We're gonna need our vice grips to attach the water hoses. Okay, remember, open the water valves. Okay, that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, if this video helped you in any way, you can show us appreciation by giving us a tip using the following options that you see on the screen. If you cannot provide with a tip, is another way to support this channel by just dropping off a comment in the comment section down below. Subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and turn on the bell to receive notifications. Thanks for watching.